just all we're gonna eat is coconuts.
I hate coconuts.
I love coconut. So do I.
I hate coconuts.
Are you not
Coconuts are the worst.
I guess you're not tropical then. I even ate some shells.
I'm thirsty. I'm going to get... Where are my cups?
We left the cups on the shelf, didn't we?
Well, at least we've got coconut milk.
Yes.
Shall we go fishing?
Okay, but we left the fishing rods on the shelf.
Okay. Just get, you know, the old time house. You guys can just... Look, I got a fish.
Okay.
We can go on the old time and get it and go
I'll
throw it.
build a shelter.
I got time
I'll build a shelter. You collect food, and you make a fire.
Coconut, 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 coconut.
Finally finished making the shelter. Would you like me to?
I lost my pipe yesterday.
Would you like me to have a go and make a fire?
Thank you. Because I lost my pipe.
I just have one go.
Anymore.
Oh, got it. Now let's cook that fish. Now,
Hey, it's something we did.
that's just a picture of the arm.
This is the logo of the ship, the Island Express. Did we take a picture of the island? Now we know the way back to our ship. Except
It's sunk
over there.
Yes. I have an idea. Let's attach this.
But I can't swim anymore and there's too many octopus.
Octopi. I have an idea. Let's attach it to a stick and we can wave it like a flag and then people might see it and they might sink. Well, now that we've got a fire going, they might see the fire, hopefully.
Shall we use one of the palm trees for the stick?
Yes.
Hey, we need more fire